Hey, for some reason now you want to change your WhatsApp color or theme. So to change the theme, you go to your WhatsApp and then go to settings. After setting, you click on chats and above you have option chat wallpaper, click over it. And now this one is your default WhatsApp screen. Now we want to change it, right? So here we have option bright. So first start with the bright. If you want to use a theme which is bright color, you choose one of them, and after choosing, click on set. So now we have a bright color theme. So now we want to try a dark theme because we want to save a battery while chatting with our friends. So simply we use a a dark theme. Let's choose this one and press set. So this is our dark theme. Now we don't want an image in our theme, so we simply click on solid color. Let's try the pink one. So this is now our solid WhatsApp theme. So now if I want to change the screen to a wallpaper, so for example I have some images in my gallery, I want to use one of them. So let's try this one, for example an image from my gallery. So I press set. Now my WhatsApp screen, let's see, if I chat with someone, my background is my image from gallery. So let's go back to settings, and now I want to reset back to normal. I don't want to show any color or any dark theme or bright theme. I just want it to go back to the previous setting. So go to chat wallpaper and above you can see there is an option to reset. I simply click on reset and done. Now I'm back to the default chatting screen. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please considering like and subscribe. Bye bye.